Hey there health enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Vitamin Doctor. Today, we're taking self-care to the next level with a tutorial on how to do an at-home manicure and pedicure without a fancy kit. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's get started. First up, let's tackle those nails. Here's what you'll need. Nail clippers or scissors, a nail file, a cuticle pusher or orange wood stick, and your favorite hand cream or moisturizer. Ready for a manicure treatment at your home? Prep your nails. First, remove any old polish and trim your nails to your desired length. Shape them using a nail file, and voila! Perfectly prepped nails. Soak your hands. Treat yourself to a luxurious soak in warm, soapy water. This will soften your cuticles and nails, making them easier to work with. Push back cuticles. Gently push back your cuticles using a cuticle pusher or orange wood stick. Remember, no cutting. Moisturize. Show your hands some love with a generous dose of hand cream or moisturizer. Massage it in for baby soft skin. Now it's time for the pedicure treatment at your home. For this, you'll need a basin or tub, a towel, nail clippers or scissors, a nail file, a pumice stone or foot file, moisturizer, and optional nail polish. Got everything? Let's get started. Soak your feet. Treat yourself to a relaxing foot soak in warm, soapy water. Feels good already, doesn't it? Exfoliate. Use a pumice stone or foot file to gently buff away any rough patches on your feet. Smooth, soft skin. Here we come. Trim and shape nails. Trim your toenails straight across and file them into your desired shape. Perfectly pedicured toes, coming right up. Moisturize. Give your feet some much-needed hydration with a rich moisturizer. Massage it in for extra relaxation. And there you have it, a salon-worthy manicure and pedicure, all from the comfort of your own home. No fancy kit is required. So go ahead, treat yourself to some well-deserved pampering. Until next time, take care.